Make a faceless YouTube video with AI, step-by-step, beginner guide. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a complete YouTube video using AI tools without filming yourself, without expensive software, and without editing experience. This method works especially well for educators, small business owners, and busy people who want to create useful content fast. Step 1 is your script. Open your AI writing tool and generate a short educational script on your topic. Keep it clear, practical, and structured in short paragraphs. Aim for about 100 to 200 words for your first video. Step 2 is turning your script into video automatically. Paste your script into an AI video generator like Pictory. The system will automatically split your text into scenes, match visuals, and build a draft video. Choose a clean visual style and enable captions. Captions improve watch time and accessibility. Step 3 is voice. You can either upload your own voice recording or use an AI voiceover. Choose a natural voice and moderate speed. Avoid overly dramatic voices. Clarity performs better. Step 4 is editing by text. If you want tighter control, import your video into Descript. Descript lets you edit the video by editing the transcript text. Delete a sentence in the text, and it removes it from the video. This is one of the fastest ways for beginners to clean up content. Step 5 is export. Export in full HD, review once for errors, and keep your intro short. Short intros improve retention. Step 6 is upload and optimize. Use a clear title, a practical description, and helpful keywords. Focus on what problem the video solves. That's the complete beginner workflow. Script to AI video, AI voice, text-based editing, then export. If you follow this process, you can produce useful faceless videos consistently without advanced skills or expensive tools. Start simple, publish, improve each video, and build from there.